Welcome
This is Quest Unscripted,
a vlog series on trending topics
and Quest solutions related to Active Directory.
Office 365.
Oh, and don't forget Azure AD.
You are here because you have questions.
We're here because we have answers.
I think.
We will address questions we've received from customers.
We experience the same challenges as you.
All with the goal of helping you confidently move
Manage.
And secure
your Microsoft environment.
We call the show Quest Unscripted because
except for this intro.
nothing we say is scripted or rehearsed.
And we're pretty sure you'll notice that right away.
What is On Demand?
On Demand is Quest's new SaaS platform. It actually grew out of a simple migration tool that we created, On Demand Migrator for email, which was just a quick and dirty move users from one email system to another. Because we already had the branding there, we kind of kept it, but it's our SaaS platform. You go to quest-on-demand.com. You're going to see all of the tools that we have available there. So, we're taking a path and moving all of our migration tools to the cloud into this platform. So you're not going to have to build heavy infrastructures on-prem. We're building an audit platform in there. It's kind of going to be the future of maybe what Change Auditor is. New fun interface. It's got some threat analytics pieces in there, ties to Bloodhound Enterprise as well. There's a on-demand recovery to back up your Azure AD instance. There are some things you can't recover with a recycle bin because they never go there. So we have that, and we're
like conditional access policies.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And security groups. So those are two big ones there, and then a licensing platform to monitor and look at your licensing in the cloud, see what's going on there.
So this is SaaS offering. Goswan, I'll put you on the spot. Why should I be confident that Quest is going to go to my data? What have y'all done to validate that y'all can actually hold my data that is dear to me?
Well, we are certified. We are third-party certified. We have certifications that basically means for you as a customer that your data is going to be secured. Your data, we do penetration testing against On Demand on yearly basis. I was actually looking at a file not too long ago. There's actually 3 third-party companies that do penetration testing and look at our On Demand platform, and we certify with them and we have scores with them on yearly basis. Why do you have your data? That's from a security standpoint, but in addition to that, from just an confidence that your content is actually sitting somewhere where you actually need it. I'll give you a story. Had a customer who was hacked last year. They were hacked on premises. They used Change Auditor on-premises solution to audit and track who's making changes to what. The day they were hacked, they were attempting to log into Change Auditor to see what happened up until the day of the attack. And then the Change Auditor server went away because it was included in the servers that actually went down. So On Demand and On Demand audit in specific would have been a great alternative, not to resolve the issue, but to see what happened up until the day they were attacked, because it's the content, the way it works. Change Auditor is collecting information, putting it inside the Change Auditor database, and then the Change Auditor database, the coordinator is sending these events up to On Demand audit, so the content sits out there in the cloud for you. So for security reasons, and for your own security reasons as well, this is why you should trust Quest with the data.
Yeah, and keep
Guys,
in mind,
I do want to point out, we do have our
keep-
SOC 2 certification. We're very proud of
recent.
that. We are getting tested, all the time. I do have a quick question for Anna from a customer perspective. How valuable is having data when something does happen? And does that help you make decisions? I mean, what would you do without having any different data from a customer perspective?
Oh yeah, it would have totally helped me in my scenario figure it out faster what exactly happened and what is my window actually, how far can I go back to start restoring and understand what happened in between.
Absolutely.
Great. Well, that's all I have for now. Thanks for your time.
Thanks.
Hey, Brian.